To lubricate air rifle pellets for use in a spring powered air rifle, you'll need a cloth and some furniture polish, and all you need to do is just spray furniture polish onto the cloth. Don't need a lot, and tip a few pellets onto the cloth. And then, just trying to do this one-handed, just hold the cloth in your hand and just gently just roll the pellets around in the cloth. You get an even coating of the furniture polish on the pellets. And also give them a little bit of a roll around so they're all evenly coated, and then just transfer them pellets into another container, and then just do a few more, just tip a few more onto the cloth and repeat the process, and that's it. Perfectly lubricated for a spring powered air rifle.